green light, obviously, you know, over the red light, it's always more visible. And it holds tighter too.
I definitely would recommend the LT58. You got basically 3 lasers in one. The size, being so small and compact, is awesome.
You notice the shock and then you see it playing itself out and you continue to go on with not waiting again for it to reset itself up.
For what we do, you know, it's the best laser I've ever used.
You have a great product and I endorse it every chance I get.